Ever wish you had a genius assistant that could help you write, research, brainstorm ideas, organize all of your ideas, and get answers to your questions instantly? Well, fortunately for all of us, now we do with ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with ChatGPT and use ChatGPT. We're going to do that in about 3 minutes, even if you've never touched AI before. Hi guys, my name is JD. If we haven't met before, I've built my career in SEO doing B2B SaaS, and I've worked at in-house companies as well as search agencies. So now that that's out of the way, let's get started. So let's answer the most basic question first. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence chatbot that was released by OpenAI in November 2022. It can help us conduct research, write reports, analyze data sets, answer our most challenging or simple questions, helps us write computer code, and really so much more. The coolest part about ChatGPT is we're able to engage with it in the same way that we talk with friends online or team members on Teams or Slack. Now, the fancy phrase for this is natural language processing, but here's the key takeaway I want you to take away from this. You can carry out complex tasks with ChatGPT without having to know fancy computer code or technical knowledge in computer science. So with that out of the way, let's get started. All right, let's get started with ChatGPT and answer the question how to get started. The easiest way is to go to chatgpt.com. So we'll do that together. ChatGPT. Here you're prompted to make an account. You can sign up for free. So click this button here in the top right. Click that. From here, you'll create an account, give it an email address. You'll be prompted to set your password. From there, it will send you an email with a confirmation code. Once you get that confirmation code, and be sure to check your spam folder, you'll enter that confirmation code back into ChatGPT, and then you'll be prompted to give your name and birthday. After that, you're all set up and ready to go with ChatGPT. Okay, now that we've created our ChatGPT account, we're in ChatGPT. Let's talk about the basics of constructing a prompt, because once you know the basics, you'll be set to experiment and make changes from here on out. When running a prompt, you want to define 4 key elements. Those include role, task, instruction, and requirements. I've set one up already. So in this example, we're pretending that the agent is going to be a thought leader on LinkedIn. We're going to have it generate 10 short professional LinkedIn posts, and we're going to give it instructions to make these posts 3 to 4 bullet points. And the idea of this post is to engage discussion and deliver engaging insights. So once we've done that, we'll hit enter. ChatGPT will give us our 10 LinkedIn posts, and we'll be able to make edits and post to LinkedIn from there. With that in mind, I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like, and I'd love to hear your comments in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in knowing where search is going, then you're going to want to watch my video on AI mode. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one.